This video is brought to you by AKS IAS.
Hello everyone, myself Sandeep. In this video, I'll be helping you out how exactly we need to use Atlas for your prelims UPSC 2021. I know most of the students always come and ask me, sir, which Atlas to take? What should we see? People say there are approximately 6 to 10 questions every year, directly or indirectly, coming from the Atlas. But we don't know how exactly to begin with this. So it's not only aimed at students who are writing 2021, even in future, any fresher, remember this is completely for freshers, any fresher as soon as he joins, what are the steps that he needs to follow to ensure that he is well versed in solving questions associated with Atlas? You might have seen many students as soon as they join, they take maps. It may be India map, it may be world map. They just put it wherever they sleep. That's the beginning of the journey of preparation. But they don't know whether it is physical, whether it is political, whether it will be useful or not, what to see in it, how to read that. That is not at all known. Not only UPSC, for many other exams, map-based questions are extremely important. One, if you look from questions point of view, another one understanding point of view as well. It's very, very important for us to have clarity of the Atlas. So to begin with, in this short video, I'm just going to tell you the basics of the Atlas, which one to take and how to start. Immediately after this, I'll be making a series of videos, especially with respect to Indian geography, which will be helpful not only for this exam, but also in future. It would be very, very helpful for you. So let us quickly begin. Because according to me, there is no one single Atlas which is really good, because all Atlas have some names in common. Some places they have mentioned and some places they have not mentioned. That's common throughout. So it's not that people come and tell me, so can you suggest me one good book where everything is available? No. If at all you want to take any one particular thing, avoid Oxford School Atlas, right? Go for Oxford Student Atlas, which is the latest one. Whenever you go, you take the latest edition possible, and then just ensure that in the Atlas, Jammu Kashmir is divided into Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, so that that's the new and updated one that is actually there. So I want everything, so I want to take both, so go and take these two. There are you can take student Atlas as well and school Atlas as well. There are some students who prefer to take Oxford Atlas for civil services, competitive exams. Please don't take that, because in that particular book, to be frank, they have not included all the places that are required. In the classroom, we commonly observe students are not really happy with that. So this is the first one. So by the time I release my next video and when you're going to watch it, I would request you to have these with you. So second, if I'm talking about the differentiation of the political and the physical map. So guys, please understand, first, the political map talks about the political boundaries, states, union territories, capitals, important places. Most of the important places would be covered in the political map. In every book, Like, whenever you want to search, people who are starting afresh, they don't know how to search as well. So what they do, as soon as they open, if I say search for Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh, so they open India map and they'll say, find, okay, Arunachal Pradesh, where is Tawang? So in this map, if Tawang is not visible, then they feel, okay, in my book it's not there, and they close. Don't do that. Basically, after this particular chapter, like, particular page, if you turn, Northeast India political map will be given separately, where only this particular part will be focused in detail. So whenever you want to search the places, my request to you is, first identify the state, because in India it's easy, for the world as well, identify the state, and then go to that particular area and see where exactly your Tawang is. That would be helpful, right, guys? So any place names, political map, boundaries, political map, then comes physical map. So physical map try to tell you, like, the brown color, green color with height, they would have given certain variations, right? So you can see here, with height, different colors are being given. With the depth, different colors will be provided. Don't go and understand those things, that's fine. And in the physical map, you will get mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, passes. In the newspaper, as soon as you come across these terminologies, ensure that you open physical map and search. You may think, sir, these are very basics we know, but in my experience of teaching to thousands of students in the beginning, so I'm talking to the freshers, so in the beginning, they'll be searching for a mountain in a political map, searching for a place in a physical map, and they don't find it's fine, but they feel scared that, like, I don't know about maps much. So I want you people to ensure that you know at least how to search. Even when a book is there with you, and if you're not in a position to find, that means some basic skills needs to be developed. That's why I'm telling you this. So guys, in future classes, when I'm going to teach you about other points, I want you people to know, uh, purchase some plain maps of India, right? So plain maps of India like this, if you can have some 10 to 20. So one day I'll teach you all the mountains of India, or 2 to 3 videos, all the mountains of India. One day we'll cover only Himalayas. So what will happen in one atlas, right? So in one map, you can mark all those things that are important with respect to Himalayan mountain system. You may think, why? See, normally when I look at the books at the end of the year before prelims, when students come to me and they show, they would have marked literally all the places in the map, and they don't know what is important and what is not important. So what happens before exam, the significance of the place will not be known to the student. He would have read, but while revising he don't know. So what is my suggestion to you? Take plain sheets like this, right? So when I teach you Himalayas, ensure that you write in your atlas, in your page, and behind the page, as there is an empty sheet, each and every place that you write the significance and current affairs associated with that. So what will happen? It would be very, very easy for us to remember, recollect, and go and write in the exam easily. Fine, guys. Even current affairs can be dealt with the help of these maps. So guys, the intention of this video is to begin by telling you that first purchase Atlas, be ready. In the next few videos, on the basis of your suggestion, we will take up entire Indian geography and try to complete it so that it would be easy for your exam. And guys, just one last thing before I conclude. This will be a video series till your prelims, right? Do subscribe and watch the videos continuously so that it would be easy for you to connect with the exam. So some static part and some current affairs would be done. Every year I release geography through maps. This year the geography through maps would be released in this platform. So my request to you is, world geography through maps we will do differently. India we need to study in detail. So try to make best use of it. Fine guys? So guys, thanks a lot for watching. All the best.
This video is brought to you by AKS IAS.